Looking to put Skyridge back ahead. Where does he go here? The left-footed shot saved! Stockton short!
Only giving up 3 goals. You look at Stockton short, what he does, they just don't concede goals. It's just so difficult to score against them. And Fremont tried with some early pressure, but man, Weber really took hold of the
Relax, hey, relax! Hey.
And trying to see that third one. Right away. This ball lobbed short, able to catch it out of the air. Gonna keep it. Warden with the shot, right to short. Stockton short, able to make another save. Numbers here for Skyridge, the shot, and short. Able to catch that cleanly. Thrown back up. Ian from the corner, caught by short. Being on frame by maybe 8 inches. Short pushes it up. Corner for Skyridge. 78th minute. And caught out of the air by short. This chipped up, looking close, and caught by short. It will be Nielsen here from the corner for the Falcons. An opportunity to win it, and short out of the air, handles it easily. We'll roll it out here with Colin Warden. Centers, short. Wallace was trying to get there. Short read it well. Into the box, short. Catches it out of the air. We never started our clock here in the stadium. It's still stopped. High bounce. Barker gonna let that come, and he has it. We'll put it in play.
Oh my God. Oh, that's good hit. What? Oh my God. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay, I'm pausing now.